Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix DynamoDB login issues, IAM and permission errors step by step clearly. Open the AWS Management Console and log into your account. Navigate to the IAM service in the AWS console. In the left sidebar, click on Users to view your user list. Select the user who is experiencing the DynamoDB login issues. Go to the Permissions tab for the selected user. Check if the user has the necessary DynamoDB permissions attached. Look for policies that include actions like dynamod list tables or dynamod asterisk. If the permissions are insufficient, click on Add Permissions. Choose to attach existing policies directly. Search for the Amazon DynamoDB full access policy or a more restrictive policy as necessary. Select the appropriate policy and click the Next button. Review the permissions and then click on Add Permissions. Now, return to the DynamoDB console. Try accessing DynamoDB again with the same user account. If issues persist, check for any specific resource-based policies. In the DynamoDB console, review the specific table's permissions if applicable. Ensure that the IAM role or user has access rights to the resource. If using temporary credentials, confirm that they have not expired. If all else fails, check AWS CloudTrail logs for permission-denied messages. Analyze the errors to identify any missing permissions. Make the necessary adjustments based on the errors identified. Retry logging into DynamoDB with the modified permissions. If issues still remain, consider reaching out to AWS support for further assistance. Document any changes made for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.